Okay guys, it's phonics time. Last week we did our oi and oi words, and this week we're going to do a few more words. But before we start, we'd like to practice our phonics sound. First is set 2. Are you ready? Remember, my turn, your turn. Are we ready? A, may I play? E, cup of tea. I fly high. O, blow the snow. Ooh, poo at the zoo. Ooh, look at the book. R, start the car. Or, shut the door. Air, that's not fair. Ear, whirl and twirl. Ow, shout it out. Oi, toy for a boy. And we're back to A, may I play? That's our set 2. How did you go? Good? Okie dokie. So, let's go really quickly on to our set 3. And these are the ones that we really need to consolidate in our last few months of school. So are we ready? E, cup of tea. Oi, toy for a boy. Sorry, oi, spoil the boy. A, make a cake. I, nice smile. O, phone home. Ooh, huge brute. O, yawn at dawn. Air, care and share. Nurse with a purse. Air, better letter. Ow, brown cow. A, snail in the rain. O, goat in a boat. Ooh, chew the stew. Ire, fire, fire. Ear, hear with your ear. Sure it's pure. Shun, pay attention, it's a celebration. Shuss, shuss, scrumptious, delicious. And the last one, E, he, we, me, she, be. Okay, that's our set 2. How did you do?